Well, we have some breaking news just coming in. The Delhi High Court has wrapped the centre over alleged delays in customs clearances for imported oxygen concentrators pending with customs. The High Court was told by the centre that 48,000 oxygen concentrators have been cleared by the customs till the 28th of April. The centre was asked to explain if oxygen concentrators are still pending with customs. The High Court said the centre needs to inform how many have been cleared as of noon today and how many are pending. Why aren't you during the clearances is the question that the High Court is asking the centre. Nalini has more details on that story. Nalini, this delay is criminal, isn't it? This is something that the centre has some serious answering to do. The High Court is upset, asking that these clearances should be expedited. Why aren't they being done?
Well, the High Court had earlier issued specific orders on Saturday stating that all of the customs and all of the oxygen concentrator cylinders as well as any medical equipment that was pending before the customs should be cleared at the earliest, and directions to the central government. Now, in regard to that, the High Court today questioned the centre on how many oxygen concentrators are still pending with the customs. The centres informed the High Court that 48,000 oxygen concentrators have been cleared by the customs till the 28th of April, but the High Court has not accepted that statement. They've said that does not satisfy the court, because what if there were 48 lakh concentrators that had come in, and in regard to that only 48,000 have been cleared. So that's why the High Court has asked the centre to provide complete data of how many oxygen concentrators have been cleared till 12 p.m. today and how many are still pending before the customs. And this data has to be given by the centre before the High Court at 3 p.m. today, when the hearings continuing before the bench of Justices Vipin Sanghi as well as Rekha Palli.
All right, Nalini, thanks for getting us all of those details. Well, Delhi has sought